Behind me is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 8. Says it right here on his license plate. He wanted us to install an exhaust. I don't know the brand. This is the remote. This is the remote wireless valve open, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, we just got done. We finished the wiring, installed the exhaust. The old exhaust is on the floor. It's a big ass piece. It was pretty hard to do it by myself. Thanks, guys. But anyways, got it done. I'm gonna do a startup just so you guys can see it. This is with it closed. This is with it open. Closed. I like it better when it's closed. I don't know. Depends on the customer, but yeah. Anyways, it's functioning. It's working. That's all that matters. Yeah, the customer wants us to change out his reverse light, which is right here, into a LED right here. The only problem is, this is a different size. I think it's like 1157 or something like that. I think it's a switchback. No, it's not. It's not a switchback. But anyways, yeah, he gave us this, and the bulb is this. And just for shits and giggles, I have to take everything off here in order to get to this bolt. Like that. So I have to take out this whole panel. I mean, yeah, you know, I'll do it, but shit. So we just got in a BMW M3. Customer decided to call us at the middle of the night and said that they want to tow their car over here for us to inspect the car. And first thing I saw was a bunch of oil on the floor. And the car cannot go into neutral. Obviously, it's automatic. The car needs to be started. The motor needs to start in order for it to go to neutral. Oh, there's another way to bypass it, but you know, so the car is not movable. So we bought some floor dollies, you know, to get it rolling, which I'll show you that they're really easy with two people. Not one, but one person can still do it. So I'll show you. I'm gonna spin this car around just so you can see it. And that was that. It took one person, but if it's two, then I don't have to go back and forth. But that's how you spin the car around with the wheel dolly. And yeah, inspect the vehicle, and I basically, I would say the guy hit something on the floor, and the front oil cooler had a hole in it. It started leaking oil, oil starvation, engine kaboom, right? Anyways, here's a list of what the dealer quoted him on parts. So you can see here, see just the short block alone, it's about $28,000, right? This is all the miscellaneous stuff. You know, all this is just, you know, a list of all the stuff that needs to be changed. And at the end, here's another list, and the last page. Wow. Okay, there's like 5 pages. All right, here's the last page. Here is his grand total if he goes to New Century BMW, that's in Alhambra. His grand total will be $45,548.74. The value of what it needs to be fixed is almost the same amount of buying this car used. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, used, and you probably could put a supercharger on there. You know, it'll probably be the same. You could probably buy used for $35 if it's a 2012. I don't know if it is or not. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so that's the result of this vehicle. And we'll see what the customer wants to do. If he wants to total it, obviously it is totaled. It's 100% of the value of the car. So.